Okay, here's the finished product for my sun tracker pivot for the solar panel, so it can sweep this, follow the sun from east to west like that. The panel will be mounted on this beam here and pivot like this, and it's set at 51 degrees, which is the latitude we're at here up north. Okay, here's my setup of my solar panel, and here's where I located your circuit. A little hard to see, but I do have positive, negative, and positive, negative here. Now we'll do a light test. That's as far as it'll move in this direction. The LED is on, so we'll swing over this way. And as you can see, your panel, or my panel, tracks with your sensor perfectly now. Thank you very much. So if I swing my light back this way, it tracks. More later. Thanks again. And here's the panel under full sun conditions. As you can see, it's tilting to follow the sun, and just to prove that, I'll momentarily distract it using a flashlight and watch it reset itself to the sun. Now watch. It just goes right back to position. Perfect. Thank you, Felix, for a fantastic circuit. Thank you, thank you.